Hello, hello. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I wanted to create a makeup look that feels fresh, effortless, so easy you cannot mess it up. The kind of makeup you can live in, the kind of makeup you could do in your car and still look polished. So we'll be using majority MERIT Beauty products, going for that refreshed winter skin kind of vibes. I feel like coming out of winter, the skin can feel a little, you know? So the goal is refreshed winter skin that still looks like skin. Soft and glowy, not heavy, and of course, not complicated. So let's get into it, shall we? Let's hydrate and begin. I'm all about luxury makeup that's going to enhance you rather than hide anything, mask anything. So this is all about easy, thin layers, comfortable, fresh and glowy, but not fussy. Yes. So MERIT sent over a couple of pieces from their Glowy Winter edit that we're going to be incorporating into this shindig. Full disclaimer, I'm not driving. I'm not operating my car. She's in park. We're just going to sit and do our makeup. So one of the products that MERIT included is an OG that you can always rely on. This is the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. So I'm going to get this on and then we'll work on the eyes so this can sink in. This is going to brighten you up with niacinamide. It's got 4 types of hyaluronic acid, so it's going to be nice and deeply hydrating. And it's a bi-phase, so you definitely want to give it a good shake. And we'll go in with a couple of pumps. We'll start off with this. I'm going to be using my camera as my mirror for now. You see how nice and easy this goes on the skin? It's light and it's going to give your skin that nice glow without looking or being too much. You know what I mean? Where's my hair clips? Okay. Skin is skinning. Thank you so much. Touch of definition to the eyes. Nothing over the top. Because again, this is meant to be effortless and easy. So I'm going to go in with my solo shadow from MERIT. This is one of those shades that you can just swipe on and go. Very fuss-free, very easy. Soft, no fallout, no stress. So I'm just going to fluff this all over the lid. Nice and easy. Hold on. This is that perfect one and done. That lighting is ill. Look at that. Nice and easy on the eyes. And you can also blend this in with your finger. It doesn't have to be with a brush. But I like this little brush from MERIT. It's a dual, so it's always a plus. See how easy this goes on? And that's pretty quick too. We love that. Yes. Nice and easy. I'm going to go in with this Westman Atelier I Love You eye pencil. This is in the brown shade. Look at that. Nice and creamy. I'm just going to run this in the waterline and I'm going to do very messy, very easy kind of vibes. And then we'll go in with a little bit of mascara. All right, now for that fresh skin base. I really like this a lot. I do have another one already because it's just so good. So this is the Uniform Tinted Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 45. Kind of squish it around. I always in my car have little, of course we have hand cream, but I also make sure I have little hand wipes. I get these at Miniso whenever my kids want to go to the mall. I go in there and stock up. So I'll have something to wipe this off. So I'm just gonna apply this. I love this so much. This is so easy, super lightweight. It's very skin and it's got all that SPF in it. So it's a win. It's not overly glowy, but it's not matte. And it gives just a touch of coverage. Very easy to blend, car friendly. You could totally blend this with your hands, just kind of put it on like a moisturizer if you wanted to. It's just one of those. Super, super easy. And you see it still looks like skin. We love that. This is such a beautiful base for winter because it evens out your tone without feeling heavy. It's mineral. It has SPF 45 and it still lets your natural skin come through. So see, the skin is still skin. Yay. I'm gonna go in with concealer. This one is from Make Beauty. I used the 2 shades. I used 7 and 9. 7 is just like a little bit brightening, and then 9 is close to my skin shade. Just to softly brighten and perfect. Because again, I want to look like me. But, you know, still want to look polished. Like I tried. Okay. I'm not blanketing my face. You know, I'm just pulling myself together. And the best part about this concealer is it's so skin. So it's nice thin layer and blend. Such a beautiful formula. Ooh, I love this concealer. And the coverage, it's very realistic and it wears so, so well. My under eyes still look like me, you know? It doesn't look like I'm wearing cake. It doesn't look like I'm wearing makeup. That's really what I love about the formula of this concealer. And you can totally blend it with your finger. It's very easy like that too. Okay. And now I'm gonna set my under eye with my Westman Atelier Pink Bubble. Know how much I love this. This still allows my skin to be skin. This powder is just a skin powder. It's so light and beautiful. We love that. I'm gonna just set right above the brows because that's where I get a little bit of oil. Pretty much gonna leave everything else. And see, this powder still allows your skin to look like skin. So time for glow and definition. Merit sent over their bronze balm. I have the shade Leo. I haven't tried this before. I'm very excited. Packaging. Ooh. So this is said to be a sheer buildable bronzer that delivers a wash of natural warmth and depth. Thank you. I'm gonna pick up, kind of diffuse. Okay, it's a good color. And let's bronze. Bring some warmth. Okay, that's very pretty. Very natural. I love how easy that's just blending into the skin. Okay. Love how easy that was. Okay, nice. Got to throw that right in the rotation. I'm going to take the brush that I used to apply my shadow and just bring it down a little. All right, so next up, Merit sent over one of their Flush Balm blushes. I especially love the one that I shared from the holiday little trio set. Oh, I wore that thing to bits. Look at this color. Ooh, this is pretty. This is a universal tint that melts into the skin for a lit from within color. Yes, please. Let me show you this color. Ooh, yes. Okay. This is going to be a good one. So I'm going to just pick this up. Ooh. Look how pretty. You know, I have not done my makeup in the car before. I was always one to wake up really early if I needed to do like glam. I mean, of course I've touched up my lips or, you know, checked in the mirror to see how things were looking, but I've never actually done my makeup in the car. So this is fun. This is very fun. I love how this just melts into the skin. Oh yeah. Bringing back some life and color to my face. Love it. Beautiful color. I really like this. Yes. I need to put a little mascara on my lower lash. Complexion is all done. Still look like me, but I'm nice and polished. Very, very comfortable. My forehead is so dry, so this is feeling so good. I am gonna go in with my powder and just do a very light all over. This powder is not gonna take away all that beautiful glow, but it is going to set everything really nice. Ooh, yes, yes. My lips are so dry. All right, let's finish everything up. The last thing they sent over is the Shade Slick Sheen Tinted Lip Oil. I need this very much. I have the shade Twin Set. I have a couple of these. These are so gorgeous and easy. Look at this color. Ooh, that's so pretty. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, we love that. I need the hydration right now. I just want to keep putting it on. It feels so good. This is so pretty. I do really like that Merit includes these little bags because you can actually use it. You know what I mean? And it's so cute and slouchy. And when it's not in use, you can fold it and it's nice and thin. So the reason I love this type of makeup is because it feels so wearable. It doesn't require a ton of precision. It doesn't require 10, 20 brushes. And it just simply enhances what's already there. See, my skin is still my skin. Very, very light and comfortable. And especially in winter and, you know, kind of easing on out of winter when your skin can be a little bit dull and a little bit drier from all the cold. This approach really brings life back to the face without any heaviness. And of course, you can do this anytime. It doesn't have to just be winter. But right now, me especially, I feel like my skin is just like a little extra, needing a little extra loving and glow and hydration, and just throw all that dullness away, please. This is my kind of everyday luxury. Fresh skin, soft eyes, comfortable glow, nothing overly sculpted. And I mean, I like this bronzer a lot. It just melted into the skin and brought just the right amount of warmth back to the face. Oh, I'm really liking that. And most importantly, nothing overly complicated. I did all this in the car. If you enjoy makeup that's refined but realistic, this is such a beautiful way to approach it. Let me know, are you into the whole lived-in luxury kind of vibes? Or do you prefer a more structured architectural glamour? I mean, personally, I think it's just time and place. Right now, with what I've got going on, I just kind of wanted to do something soft and easy and, again, refresh that winter skin. Thanks for spending a part of your day with me today, allowing me to share this little bit of revived, refreshed winter skin look. Soft, easy glam, but so easy you can do it in the car. If you've enjoyed today's video, please take a moment and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.